Hello students, welcome back. Today in this video, we shall do the exercise of the chapter Neha's Alarm Clock of class 4 NCERT book Marigold. So let us start our video. Here, three options are given and we have to write the correct answer. First is, what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Students, we have read the chapter and we have to tell at what time Neha's clock ring every morning. The answer will be 6 o'clock. The next, what did the bird say? Student, at morning, what did the bird say? The bird say, wake up. The next is, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Student, what is the thing that makes us get up at the same time every day? It is our body clock. The next, put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. Students, here are the jumble letters and we have to put them in a right order so that it become a meaningful word. First is smile. Next will be alarm. ALARM. The next will be clock. CLOCK. Next will be morning. 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 And next is snored. 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 Next will be window. WINDOW. Okay, let's see next. Listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friend the sounds that you heard. List them here. Students, when you go to your school, then on the way you heard many sounds. So you have to write here the sounds that you heard and here the sounds that your friend heard. Okay, it can be the sound of traffic, it can be the sound of talking, of trees, or we can say blowing wind. Sound of birds, sound of mic. Okay, the next. If there is no clock in your house to wake up you in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue to sleep? Or, students, here question is that if there is no clock at your home, then what will happen? Will you continue to sleep? Our answer will be no. Here can be many answers. You can say I will wake up from listening the sound of chirping birds. You can also say I will wake up from my mother's voice. And if sunlights come to your bed, then answer can be sunlight. So there can be different answers. The next is, what are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? So we can know the time by intensity of sunlight and listening from the radio or television and asking someone who knows. Okay, the next. Find the hidden words. Here we have to find these words. First is mother. Mother is here, you can see. The next is birds. Then birds is here. Next clock. Clock will be here. Okay. Next is alarm. Alarm will be here. Next is happy. Happy is here. Next is morning. Morning is here. Holiday. Holiday is here. Hungry. Hungry is here. And Sunday. Sunday will be here. Okay. We have found these words. So you will do this in your book. Okay. Next is say aloud. We have to recite these words. First is ought. Second, bought. Third, caught. Next, matter. Chatter. Shatter. Next is tick tock. Tell told. Train time. Tic tac. Tip tin. Take tall. So you will recite these words in a loud voice. The next is who said these words and to whom? Students, we have to find that by whom these words are said. First is wake up dear, wake up fast. So by whom these words are said? These are said by birds. B-I-R-D-S. So these words are said by birds. And to whom? To Neha. Second, Ma, who woke me up today? Who said these words? These words are said by Neha. And to whom? To her mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Okay, next is why do you sleep at 9 every night? By whom these words are said? These are said by mother. And to whom? To Neha. Okay. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. Students, I have made a separate video for this exercise. If you want to understand this in detail, then go to my channel and watch it. So, was is used with singular noun and were is used with plural noun. So, let's see. Ram. Ram is a singular noun. Ram dash a good football player. So, Ram was a good football player. Next, the cows. Cows are plural. The cows were grazing in the field. Next, my toys. Toys are plural. So, My toys were broken. Next, her frock. Frock is here singular. So, her frock was too long. The market. Here market is singular. So, the market was closed. Next, the children. Here children is plural. So, the children were happy. Next, the flowers dash kept in a vase. Flowers are plural. So, the flowers were kept in a vase. Next is, look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words: pulled out, inside, called out, behind, under. So let's read. Yesterday, I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked dash a door. Here, she is looking behind the door. Behind means to the back of something, यानी कि किसी के पीछे देखना. तो I looked behind the door. So this first will be. Then next, I looked dash a cupboard. ये देखो cupboard में अंदर देख रही है. तो किसी चीज़ के अंदर देखना means inside. Then second will be inside. I looked inside a cupboard. Then next, I looked dash a bed. ये देखो बेड की कहाँ देख रही है, नीचे. तो किसी चीज़ के पोजीशन दैट इज बिलो समथिंग, किसी सरफेस के नीचे हो तो उसे बोलते हैं अंडर. आई लुक्ड अंडर ए बेड. देन थर्ड विल बी हियर. देन नेक्स्ट इज, I could not find it anywhere. Then I dash Shiro. फिर मैंने शीरो को बुलाया. शीरो कौन है? शीरो माई डॉग केम रनिंग टू मी. शीरो माई डॉग उसका डॉग है शीरो, जो कि दौड़ते हुए आया. आई आस्क्ड हिम टू लुक फॉर माई बुक. उसने उससे बुक ढूंढने को कहा. देन व्हाट विल हियर? देन आई कॉल्ड आउट शीरो. किसी को बुलाना पुकारना क्या होगा? कॉल्ड आउट. सो दिस विल बी इन फोर्थ. देन आई आस्क्ड हिम टू लुक फॉर माई बुक. मैंने उससे बुक ढूंढने को कहा. ही डैश अनदर बुक फ्रॉम माई बैग. ही पुल्ड आउट अनदर बुक from my bag. Pulled, pulled out. Okay, here will be pulled out. The next is, here is a word clock. Write down words relating to clock. Here we have to write the words relating to the clock. Here is the sound of clock. क्या साउंड होती है क्लॉक की? टिक टॉक. ओके. एंड हेयर वी हैव टू राइट अनदर वर्ड. अनदर वर्ड वी कैन से वॉच. WATCH. वॉच. पिक्चर. हेयर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ क्लॉक. ओके. वर्ड इन योर लैंग्वेज. आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में क्लॉक को क्या कहते हो? घड़ी कह सकते हो, या फिर आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में जो भी कहते हो वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. नेम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स एंड टाइम्स. घड़ी के जितने भी पार्ट्स होते हैं वो हमें लिखने हैं. नीडल्स होती है, उन्हें हम मिनट हैंड. लॉन्गर हैंड इज मिनट हैंड. आवर हैंड. शॉर्टर हैंड इज आवर हैंड. ओके, हेयर मेक ए सेंटेंस। यहाँ पे क्लॉक से कोई भी सेंटेंस बनाना है। माई क्लॉक इज ब्यूटीफुल। ओके, then next, here is a word morning. Now write down words related to it. Here we have to write words relating to the morning. It can be sunshine, dawn, chirping of birds, daytime, sunrise, oak, or you can say temple bell also you can say. Okay, so this is the complete exercise of this chapter. I hope you will watch the video and do the exercise in your notebook. Okay.